Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add Truecaller messages shortcut to home screen on Android device. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Scroll down and go to Settings. Now click on General Settings. Scroll down. Under Shortcut section, click on Add Messages Shortcut to Home. Click Add. As you can see, Truecaller Messages shortcut has been added to our home screen. This is how you can add Truecaller Messages shortcut to home screen on Android device. Thank you for watching.